Right now, I'm outside of the apartment complex here. Yeah, it's nothing but just straight snow. Oh man, it is freezing. Good grief, this don't make no damn sense. Oh well, whatever. But yeah, this is where I'm at. This is. Alright, let's see here. This big old snow drift right here, look at that. It's ridiculous. Man.
Freezing out here, dude.
Yeah, it is freezing. I swear my life. If you see all is having school tomorrow, they are crazy. Look at these roads out here. Don't make no sense. I mean, that road ain't even halfway cleared at all. And look, you got the mailman flying around the corner over here. Then you got another car coming down the street here with rims on it. It's taking its little precious time. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you don't know, when I drive, I speed, so I can't be on the roadways. You know what I mean? Man, this don't make no sense. Luckily though, there's no snow in the car. I mean, there's like minor areas, but the car is looking pretty nice. So at least you don't have to come out here and scrape. Look at this drift right here. Sick. Kind of looks like something that you would see in a desert. You know what I mean? Of course, my little Lucille ain't nothing on it. Yeah, gotta love it. Yeah, it's still in good condition, roughly. Hold up, I gotta get over here a little bit. Look at this. Crazy drift. We're talking, man, you know, a good 5 to 6 inches right here. Hell, could be a foot if it wanted to be, but it's real deep. I think we're good. I think this is it.
I'm freezing.
There's another drift right here, and that's it. I'm going back in the house. So, deuces. Peace.